If you have been trying to conceive with no success, you are lucky watching this video. Please watch the video to the end, because in this video I'll be providing a very potent remedy that will help you to conceive fast. Treat any kind of infertility issue you have. Watch the video. Hello healthy and beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are healthy. So in today's video I'll be addressing critically infertility. I'll be making known to us the causes of infertility, the solution to infertility, and how you can conceive fast. So please sit back. If you have a friend who has been trying for years, please watch this video, recommend the video to them. If you yourself have been battling with infertility, please watch the video and do as I've instructed. So to start with, what is infertility? Infertility that we have been talking about, what is it? So infertility is a condition where a woman cannot get pregnant after trying for 1 year. You have tried for 1 year, no pregnancy is coming. It means that you're infertile. What are the causes? Uterine fibroids can be a cause. Thyroid disease can be a cause. For men, low sperm count can be a cause. etc. So many causes of infertility. Please continue watching this video so that you will pick the one that is causing your own infertility, so as to know the remedy which you're gonna use. All right. 1 in 3 women that has this infertility has the problem with their female reproductive system. Likewise, let's look at the types of infertility. We have different type of infertility, and I also want you to know the one that you're having. We have the primary infertility. This happens when a woman cannot get pregnant after 1 year of trying without having any birth control. You have not conceived before at all. It's primary infertility. But if you have conceived before, let's assume that you have conceived once, and after that once, no other one is coming. That one is secondary infertility. Guys, I also want you to know the factors that increases the risk of infertility, so that you will also know and take notes. All right. Number 1 factor is age. Let's assume that you are 35 above. As a woman, you know that in our society right now, you can relate with that one. As a man, 40 years above, you can relate. All right. Stress too is another factor that what increases that risk of infertility. We have other factors like smoking. If you're smoking, excessive alcohol, we have abnormal menstruation, uterine problems, sexually transmitted diseases, eating disorder. There are a lot of factors that can increase the risk of infertility. So if you're a smoker, please, you have to stop. Excessive alcohol, you have to stop. Please, if you have menstrual disorder, wait for the remedy, use it, and I assure you, you're gonna get a normal menstruation. All right. So these are the factors that increases the risk of infertility. Take note. So that is why when you are that 20, early 20, don't be saying I'm still young. If you see a good man, please marry and start making your babies early, so that you will not start battling with age factor. All right. So guys, how do you diagnose this? You can diagnose it through transvaginal ultrasound, pelvic examination, even blood tests. You know, if you're having STD, you can actually do it through this thing through blood tests. All right. So these are the means that you can get diagnosed. All right. Now the treatment has to do with some medication. When you're giving medication in the hospital, then some has to do with surgery, like all the uterine fibroids and blocked fallopian tubes and all of that. You have to go for surgery to get rid of them. But in this video, I'm gonna be giving you a remedy, because before now, please, I'm very sorry for the noise. I'm very sorry. I played, right? Please, I'm sorry. So the solution I'm going to be bringing to us today is what you can used because I have used it and I am a living testimony. All right, so if you're having the problem of this problem, if you have menstrual disorder, you have uterine fibroid, you have blocked fallopian tube, which I have, the two were blocked. Yes, I wish I can get the results and the scan so that you can see for yourself. The two were blocked, but when you take this remedy, you will clear them off. The fibroid will fall off. All right, so what are you going to get? I'll be leaving the images on the screen so that you can see, and you have to prepare it the way I instruct you to do. All right, it's fresh guava leaf, probably a guava leaf that has not produced a fruit at all before. You get it and you squeeze it out, squeeze out the juice out. You have to start drinking this in the morning. You have to drink 1 glass in the morning every day during your period. Yeah, this is a gradual process. You have to be drinking it first. That is the first therapy that you're gonna take. You have to drink it during your period. Take note, please. When you drink it and you have some reaction, please stop it, because some women tends to say that after taking it they stop seeing their period when they are not pregnant. So some body differs. All right, so but this remedy works like magic. It helps to flush away any form of blockage anywhere at all in your uterus. All right, so you have to be drinking that one during your period in the morning. Then after the dosage for 4 or 5 days, you start drinking this one too. You get Eden fruits. I'll leave it on the screen. You also get cloves. You know, the health benefits of clove, even the spiritual benefit of this clove is unimaginable. You get cloves, you get Eden fruits. This Eden fruit is a very powerful plant that is very good to melt any form of fibroid if you're consistent in using it. So you get these two. You get clove, you get Eden fruit, then you get negro pepper. And you also get, finally, you also get your honey. How do you prepare this? When you cut your Eden fruits, when you cut your Eden fruits, your negro pepper with your clove, you have to soak it. It's either you soak it for 24 hours or you boil it with tap water. Now, please, I want you to include nutmeg in this, because nutmeg is also a powerful spice that is underrated. I want you to add it in this recipe. The reason why I'm saying it now is because so many people will not watch. In fact, so many people will not watch the video to this place, and once they get that, these ones that I mentioned, they will think that it's all over. But no, that is why I say you should watch the video to the end. I'm still dropping some remedies that you can also use if you're having. Let me continue. So you have to boil it. After boiling it, you also be taking it after the 5 days of the guava juice. You have to be taking that one glass. You have to be taking that one glass a day too. 1 glass a day too. You also take that one for 5 days, and then you stop for the month, and also wait till you see your period. You know, the reason why I'm saying it, because you will not be able to control the dosage. So that is why you have to stop after like this 10 days treatment is enough for the month. All right, even medication, when you are giving medication, I think they don't give medication that's more than 7 days, 10 days. All right, so you have to wait against you. But as you wait, you have to be eating fruits that boost fertility. Watermelon should never be far away from you. Also, bananas should not be far away from you. Just eat fruits, cucumber, eat fruits that will boost your fertility, and stay away from junk food. Exercise regularly. All right, so now I have an issue that women, many of us, are complaining. Noise. I'm so sorry for the noise. There are so many women that are complaining of sperm leakage. When after doing the thing, what happened next is that they pour everything out. They don't know how it happens. So this is what you need to do. You have to look for this leaf, red jatropha. I've been talking about this leaf, that this leaf is very powerful. You have to get this leaf. get kola nut, and also get black soap. This is what you're going to do. Pound this leaf with the kola nut, mix it with the black soap. You can pray on it, yes, and then use it to wash your pee-pee. Punani, use it to wash it till it stops coming out. You stop it, you stop using it. This is a fast remedy that will prevent it from coming out. All right, it's a remedy for sperm leakage. Okay, now another thing that I want to say is so many people face the problem of not conceiving fast because their ovulation is no. Either they don't ovulate at all, or their egg is not, their egg, they are not fertile enough. Their egg is not strong enough to, to be fertilized with the sperm. All right. So this is what you do to boost your ovulation. Get ogirisi leaf, fertility leaf. Yes, fertility leaf. Get it. You get your cloves. Yes, you get your udder seed. I'll put them on the screen so that you can see them. All right. Then you get honey. Depending on the quantity that you want to make. If you want to make a larger quantity, a larger quantity of the ingredients is gonna be what you're gonna use. You have to boil this for like 25 minutes, and then you'll be drinking this 1 glass during the end of your period till the time of ovulation. This is how you'll be drinking it. 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the night. 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the night. Please enable to boil this with a lot of water so that it can be able to serve you. Okay, so now you have a solution to so many infertility issues. Why still go for the surgery when you can actually, I have seen someone who has gone for the surgery and at the end of the day the fibroid grew back. But when you're taking natural remedies, it will cut it from the root. It will be uprooted from the root. I'll also be dropping so many fibroid remedy because you know what happens, our body differs. So what works for you might not work for me. So maybe the next remedy I'm going to be dropping about uterine fibroids and fallopian tube might be what you have been looking for, or maybe the ones I have done in the past can be of help for you. So that is why you can rush to any of the playlists that has to do with how to get pregnant, how to melt fibroid and all that, and watch a video, and maybe after trying that one you will get a solution to the problem. Okay, so if you watch the video to this far, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to loved ones or to those waiting mothers, those TCC mothers. Please share this video to them and you are doing them a great favor. All right, I also show demonstration on how to cook these things in my videos. I have videos on that. Please go ahead and check them out. Okay, and please patch drink before you start using. That is what I'm saying. I'm still saying it again. Please enable to patch drink before you start. Okay.